Hello guys, welcome back to another class. So today we will do exercise 4.3. Let's do question number 5. Let's first read the question. It says here, in a class test, the sum of Shefali's marks in mathematics and English is 30. So the sum of the marks of mathematics and English is 30. Had she got 2 marks more in mathematics and 3 marks less in English, the product of their marks would have been 210. Find her marks in the 2 subjects. So we have to find the marks of maths and English scored by Shefali. So in the first case, the sum of Shefali's marks in maths and English is 30. So let's assume. Let Shefali's marks in mathematics be X and English be Y. So according to the question, the sum of Shefali's marks in maths and English is 30. Sum of the marks equals to 30. So y equals to 30 minus x. If I shift x to the right hand side, then we get here y equals to 30 minus x. Let this be equation number 1. Now in the second case, let's see. If she got 2 marks more in maths and 3 marks less, that means in maths, if she got 2 marks less, if she got 2 marks more in maths, so maths is x, so if she got 2 marks anywhere, and English 3 marks less, the product of their marks would have been 210. So the product of these two, x plus 2, y minus 3, would have been how much? 210. So let's solve this. See, y equals to 30 minus x. So in place of y, we will write 30 minus x. X minus 2, y 30 minus x minus 3 equals 210. X minus 2, 30 minus 3 is 27 minus x equals 210. Let's multiply these two. X 27x, x minus x squared minus 54 plus 2x equals 210. Now so let's write x squared first, minus x squared. 27 plus 2 is 29x minus 54 minus 210. Sorry, this is plus. So if this is plus, this will be plus, this will be minus. So what do we get here? Minus x squared plus 25x plus 54 minus 210. So minus x squared plus 25x minus 210 54 minus 200 will get 156. So let's remove the minus. If we take minus common here, we have plus 25x. See, the sign will change if we take minus common. And if we shift minus here, then 0 is 0. So now this one, midterm factorization, let's do 156, 2 into 7, 2 into 8, 2 into 3, 2 into 9, 3 into 1, 3 into 3. So 3 into 3 is 6, 6 into 2 is 12. 13 plus 12 is 15. See, 12. 13 plus 12 is 25, and 13 into 12 is 156. Now we have here x squared minus 13x minus 12x plus 156 equals 0. So from these two we can take x common, x minus 13 minus 12 common, x minus 12 into 13 is 156. So we have here x minus 13, x minus 12. X minus 13, x minus 12 equals 0. So x is either 13 or x equals 12. If x is equal to 13, then y equals to 30 minus x. X equals to 30 minus 13 equals how much? 17. If x is 13, then mathematics is 13 and English is 17. The other one, if x equals to 12, then y equals 30 minus x. So 30 minus 12 will give us 18. Therefore, maths will be 12, English will be 18. So there are two probabilities. If she gets maths 13, then English will be 17. If she gets maths 12, then English will be 18. So that's the answer for question number 5. Let's go to next question. Question number 6. Now, rectangle. Here we are going to deal with a rectangle. Now it is said here, the diagonal of a rectangular field is 60 meters more than the shorter side. So first, if the longer side is 30 meters more than the shorter side, find the side of. See, this is the shorter side, this is the longer side of a rectangle. So let the shorter side be x. Then according to question, now this is the diagonal of a rectangle. So what does it say here? The diagonal of a rectangle is 60 meters more than the shorter side. X plus 60, because it is 60 meters more than the shorter side. Now if the longer side is 30 meters more than the shorter side, this 30 meters is x plus 30 meters. This is x, this is x. Find the sides of the field. We have to find the sides. This side, also this side. This side is x, this side is x plus 30. So how? We just take this. Let's say the PQRS. The rectangle has PQRS. Let's take PQR. Okay. PRS. In triangle, PRSC. In a rectangle, the sides are 90 degrees. So what, according to Pythagoras theorem, sum of the square of the longer side is equal to the square of the sum of the other two sides. So x plus 60 whole square will give us sum of the square of the other two sides, x square plus x plus 30 square. Let's see here, a plus b whole square, a square plus 2 into 60 is twice ab plus 16 into 60 is 3600. A square plus twice ab, 2 into 30 is 60, twice ab plus 13 into 30 is 900. Okay, this is what we got. X square 60x plus 900. Let's shift this to the other side. X square minus 2x square plus 1 with dx minus 60x plus 3600 minus 900 equals 0. X square minus 2x square will give us minus x square. 120 minus 60 will give us 60x. This will give us 2700 equals 0. So minus we take out and we get x square minus 60x minus 2700 equals 0. So now we can do, what do you want to do? Something minus something should give us 600, because here there is minus, so if you are doing midterm factorization it should come minus. So let's check the LCM. 2700 by 3, we get here 9 by 3, 3, 0, 0, 3 is 100, 250, 225, 5 into 5. So this is what we get, 3 into 3 into 3 into 2 into 2 into 5 into 5. So let's check the combination, trial and error method. There should be a 5. Let's check this trick. 5 into 2 is 10, then 2 is 20, 20 into 3 is 60. 5 into 3 is 15, 15 into 3 is 45. Impossible. Okay, this is 60. 60 into 3 is okay, so we have here 3 into 3 into 3 into 2 into 2 into 5 into 5. So if you take 5 into 5 into 5 into 5, 3 into 3 is 9, 9 into 3 is 27, 27 into 2 is 54, 54 into 2 is... Okay, so I got the combination. What we can do is 5 into 3 into 2, 5 into 3 into 2, we'll take the 1, and 5 into 2 into 3 into 3. See, 5 into 3 is 15, 15 into 2 is 30, 5 into 2 is 10, 10 into 3 is 30, 30 into 3 is 90, 90 minus 30 will give us 60, and if you multiply 90 into 30 you get 2700. So here we have here 90 minus 30, x minus 2700 equals to 0. So here let's see, x squared minus 90x minus and minus plus 30x minus 2700 equals to 0. So x common is minus 90, 30 common, x minus 30 into 90 will give you 2700. So x minus 90, x plus 30, so we have here x equals to 90, x equals to minus 30. So minus can never be, the length of a rectangle can never be minus, so x equals to 90. So therefore the sides of the rectangle are x equals to x. So x is how much? 90. So here the sides are given in meters, so it will be 90 meter, and longer side is x plus 30. See, this side is x plus 30, so x plus 30 will give 90 plus 30 equals 120 meters. So the answer is, the sides are 90 meter and 120 meter. Okay, let's do the next question. Question number 7. The difference of square of two numbers is 180. So let the two numbers be x and y. Then the difference, see the difference of squares of two numbers, x squared minus y squared, will give us, the difference of square of two numbers is 180. Okay, let's keep this in mind. Let's make it equation 1. And what does the next say? The square of the smaller number is 8 times the larger number. Here, by looking at the smaller number is this one. So the square of the smaller number is 8 times the larger number. Let this be equation 2. Now let's put equation 2 in equation 1. Putting y squared equals to 8x in equation 1. So x squared minus, in place of y squared we will write 8x equals to 180. So x squared minus 8x minus 180 equals 0. X squared minus see 180 we don't need to do anything. 10 into 8. 10 into 18 is 180. 18 minus 10 is 8. This is minus, so something minus something should give us 8, and the product of these two should give us 180. So it is 18 minus 10. So x squared minus 18x plus 10x minus 180 equals 0. Now, x common, x minus 18, 10 common, x minus 18 equals 0. So x plus 10, x plus 10, x minus 18 equals 0. So either x equals to minus 10 or x equals 18. Okay, look here. If x greater number, x is a greater number, if x was negative, if x was negative, if the greater number was negative, the sum of these two will always give us negative number, because greater number minus smaller number. So that implies, that shows that minus 10 is not counted. So x equals to, if x equals to 18, then y will be equal to how much? Y squared is 8x. So y squared will be 8x is 18. So y squared is 8 into 8 is 64. 4. Now 8 plus 9. Y equals to 12. Okay. So y is plus minus 12. So either x 18, y equals to 12, or x equals to 18 and y equals to minus 12. So that's it. I'll see you in the next class. That's it for today. Thank you.